Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera is active. Open your laptop camera app so you know the hardware works. Then, in Zoom, go to Settings Video and select the correct camera. This ensures Zoom addresses the right device. Close any other apps that might lock the webcam, because only one program can use it at once. Once done, toggle the camera off and on in Zoom. This forces the app to reinitialize the feed and often restores the video instantly. You now check Zoom's advanced video options. Disable HD if your laptop struggles, and turn off HD to reduce CPU load. If video is grainy or not appearing, open Device Manager and update the webcam driver. This fixes compatibility bugs. Reinstalling the driver clears corrupted configurations. Make sure your OS and Zoom are on the latest versions, because software mismatches cause failures. If problems persist, plug in a USB webcam to test whether the internal camera is faulty or the software is at fault. To finish, verify camera permissions in your operating system. Zoom must be allowed to access the webcam. Also confirm your network isn't overwhelmed. High upload usage can freeze video, so pause backups or streaming. Join a Zoom test meeting to confirm both audio and video are stable. If you still have issues, restart the laptop. This clears temporary resource locks and reloads drivers. If that fails, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.